In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search in Google Calendar. Navigating through your digital calendar can be overwhelming, especially if you're trying to find specific events or appointments buried under months or years of data. Luckily, Google Calendar offers a handy search feature that makes finding what you're looking for a breeze. Let's walk through how you can utilize this feature to streamline your calendar management. First off, you'll need to access your Google Calendar. This is quite straightforward. Open up your preferred web browser, head over to Google Calendar's homepage. Here you'll be prompted to log in if you haven't already. Just enter your email, click next, and then key in your password. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the main calendar page. This is where all your scheduled events and appointments are displayed. But let's say you're looking for a specific meeting or event and scrolling through isn't doing the trick. No worries, there's an efficient way to pinpoint exactly what you're searching for. Located at the top right corner of the page, you'll see a magnifying glass icon. This is your ticket to finding anything in your calendar. Go ahead and click on it. This action transforms your cursor into a blinking line, indicating you can now type in your search query. What's great about the search function in Google Calendar is its ability to understand a wide array of search terms. Whether you're looking for an event by its name, the date it's happening, or even a keyword associated with it, just type that into the search bar. After entering your search term, hit the enter key on your keyboard. In no time, Google Calendar whips up a list of events that match your search criteria. From here you can click on any of the results to get more details about the event, or even edit it if necessary. This feature is particularly useful for those times when you're trying to find past or future events, but can't quite remember when they occurred. Instead of manually combing through your calendar, a simple search can save you tons of time and frustration. To wrap it up, the search functionality within Google Calendar is a powerful tool that can enhance your productivity and make managing your time a lot easier. By following these simple steps, you can quickly find any event or appointment, freeing you up to focus on what matters most. So, the next time you're in your calendar and need to find something fast, just remember how easy it is to search and locate exactly what you're looking for.